Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. Well, this is a bit of a fun one. I got given a couple of plum logs recently that I processed up. And this was a off-cut piece that was lying just outside the workshop. So as I walked past, I thought, yeah, I'll make something of it. And obviously popped it on and made this little banana-shaped, well, can't really call it a bowl. It's more of a little platter. I did add a little indent there. Not sure if it was really necessary to do that, but I like it. It has warped a little, so it's not standing flat on that. There's a little bit of a wobble as it's down, but it does, with the shape of it, it doesn't matter, and it just adds to the character. But I really love the live edge on it. There's so many colors in this as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, because I definitely did. Please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.